Yes, now students, see here in workbook problems. Now we are going to discuss, we are going to do workbook problems. Okay. So in this toy, so toy price is given 10 rupees, softy price is given rupees 10, and book price is given 60 rupees, ball price is given 25 rupees, gift price is given 35. All the five items price is given, 5 items price is given. So now in the first question what he is asking, book plus softy, book and softy, the total amount we have to find. Book is 60, books price is 60 and plus softy, so that is 10. 60 plus 10, 60 plus 10 is how much? 60 plus 10 is 70 rupees, 70 rupees. Total how much it is? So rupees 70. Okay, the total price is 70 rupees. Book price is rupees 60 and softy price is rupees 10. So then total is 70. 60 plus 10, 70. In the second question, toy. So toy price is how much? Rupees 10. Write here rupees 10. After that, book price. What is the book price here? Rupees 60. Okay, 60 plus 10. So here also it is rupees 70. 10 plus 60, 70. 60 plus 10, 70. Rupees 70. Okay. Now here softy. Softy price is how much? 10 rupees. Rupees 10, and after that plus gift. Gift is how much? 35 rupees. 35. 35 plus 10, 45 rupees. 45. The price is 45 rupees. Softy plus gift price. So here book. What is the book price here? Book price is rupees 60 plus, what is the ball price? Rupees 25. Okay, 65 plus 25, 85 rupees, 85. Add 60 plus 25. Okay, now here gift. What is the gift price here? 35 rupees. 35 plus, what is toy price? That is rupees 10. Rupees 35 plus 10, 45 rupees 45. Just we add and write your answer. And toy plus softy. What is the toy price? Rupees 10. Rupees 10 plus, and softy. Softy is rupees 10. That is also rupees 10. Then 10 plus 10, the total how much it is? Rupees 20. 20 rupees. Total price is 20 rupees. Total price here is 20 rupees. What is the total amount? 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Just what he is asking, just first we have to see that one. And what is the price given? So that price we have to add, and that sum we have to write. So here book. Book means book price, that is 60 rupees, 60, and softy. So how much it is? 10 rupees. That 10 we have to write. Add 60 plus 10, the total is 70. The both book and softy cost is rupees 70. Okay. In the second question, toy and book is given. Toy cost 10 rupees and book price is 60. Rupees 10 plus rupees 60, that is total 70. In that way, what is given? What two items are given? According to that, what price is given? So that price, so we have to add, and whatever the sum, that is the total price of the two items. Okay. Okay students. Now students, next bit, the match the total amount. So here we have to match. Some amounts are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 amounts we have to match with the next one. See here, in the first one what he has given? Rupees 200. 200 currency is given. The 200 currency is equal to what here in this? In this we have to match with that. Match with that. Which one is correct? So with that match. 200. See here. So here in the third one, 100 plus 50. 150 150 plus 50, 200. It is very easy. 50 plus 50, we know 100. 50 plus 50 is 100. So 100 plus 100, 200. So it means this 200, so we have to match with this 200. These 200s and this 200 we have to match. This 200 amount, this currency is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 50. 100 plus 50 plus 50. Next, 5 rupee note, 5 rupee currency note is given. Then 5 rupee currency note is equal to how much? Here 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 means 5 rupee. So the total amount is equal to 5. So then we have to match with this one, last one. Okay, 5 rupees is equal to 2 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin. 2 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin. Okay. Next, 10 rupees, 10 rupee coin is given. 10 rupee coin, metallic coin is given. So then that is equal to what? So here 1 rupee coin is equal to 5 2 rupee coins. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. 5 rupee coin plus 5 rupee coins, that is equal to 10 rupee coin. So okay, match with second. 10 rupees is equal to match with the second, that is 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. Okay. Now 20 rupees currency note, 20 rupees currency note is equal to how much? 2 10 rupees coins, 2 10 rupees coins. 10 rupee coins plus 10 rupee coins. 10 plus 10, how much it is? 20 rupees. It means 20 rupees currency note is equal to 2 10 rupees currency coins. Okay. 20 rupees is equal to 10 plus 10. Now after that, rupees 2. 2 rupees amount is equal to, so 2 1 rupee coins. 2 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee plus 1 rupees, 2 rupees. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee currency coin is equal to 2 1 rupee currency coins. Okay. Now 50 rupees currency note, 50 rupees currency note. Obviously only one is left. Once you check how many 10 rupee currency coins were there, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Total 50 rupees. 50 rupees is equal to 10, 5 10 rupee coins. 5 10 rupee coins is equal to 50 rupees. Okay. In this way, first you check which one is the correct. So match with that. Okay. Now brain booster. In this brain booster, some blanks are given. So we have to fill in the blanks. The first blank, 1 rupee plus 4 rupee. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. It is 5 rupees. 1 plus 4, 5 rupees. 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. 50 plus 20. 5 plus 10, 7 means 70 rupees. 70 rupees. Just we add 5 plus 2 and 0 as it is we have to give. 5 plus 2, 7 and this 0 as it is, 70 rupees. Now 25 plus 25 paise plus 25 paise. 225 paise how much? 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 paisa. 225 paisa is equal to 50 paisa. Now here 48 rupees is equal to 43 plus how many rupees? 43. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48 means 5. More 5. 8 rupees. 5 rupees, not 5, 8 rupees, 5 rupees. 43 plus 5, 48 rupees. Okay. 70 rupees is equal to 20 rupees plus how much? 20 plus 50. If we add 20 plus 50, then that is equal to 70 rupees. Then 2 plus 5, 7 no. So like that we have to check. Or otherwise 7 minus 2 we have to check. 7 minus 2 is 5. That means 50 rupees. Now 50 paisa plus 25 paisa. 50 plus 25 paisa, that is 75 paisa. 50 plus 25. Add 50 plus 25. Okay. Now 1 rupee is equal to 250 paisa. 250 paisa make 1 rupee. Already we discussed. 150 paisa is given, more 150 paisa we have to write. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, that is 1 rupee. 64 rupees is equal to 60 plus 4, 64 rupees. 60 plus 4, 64 rupees. Now 10 rupees plus 2 rupees, 10 plus 2, 12, 10 plus 2, 12 rupees. Then 100 paise is equal to 50 paise and 50 paisa. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, that is 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee also. Okay. Now 10 paisa plus 10 paise, 10 plus 10, 20 paisa. Okay. 19 rupees is equal to 10 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19. 10 rupees plus 9 rupees, 19 rupees. 88 rupees is equal to 50 plus 80 minus 50 we have to do. 80 minus 50 how much? 88. This is not 80, 88. 88 minus 50 we have to do. So that is 38. 38 rupees. Okay. 50 plus 38 is equal to 88 rupees. Okay. Now see here. So in this enrichment activity, so what we are going to do? So we are going to do trace and try. So what we are going to trace and so what we are going to try? See here. So first of all, what things we need for this activity? So white paper, this white paper we need, white paper, and dark pencil, one dark pencil we need, one dark pencil, and different types of coins, different types of coins. All these different types of coins we need, different types of coins we need. Then after that what we have to do? So take one coin, any one coin. So here I am taking 10 rupee coin. So then after that, so you keep this 10 rupee coin on table, and so after keeping your coin on the table and keep white paper on it, keep white paper on the coin. So then after that, so shade, trace this coin, trace this coin. So lightly you trace this coin, okay, slightly trace this coin, okay, like this, slightly trace this coin, okay, slightly trace, complete, okay. After tracing the coin, so remove your paper. See on the paper what happened here. 10 rupee, so 10 rupee image you form. So like this, whatever image is there on the coin, so that image you form on a paper, you form on a paper. And after that again same coin, so in back side, heads and tails, tail side, keep tail side, again shade, again slightly shade with a pencil, okay. So then see, so what you will get? So now you will get head. So here head mark you will get, okay. So head you will get, and after that take one more coin. So like 5 rupee coins I am taking. So and again keep on a table, and above you keep a paper and trace on a paper, trace on a paper. Then see what you will get on a paper. What you will get on a paper? So like this you trace on a paper. See, after that remove your coin and see, so what image you form? Why 5 rupee, 5 rupee image form on a paper. So and after that again turn your coin and again shade, turn your paper and shade, so with a dark pencil, okay. And after that see, so what you form on a paper? Here tails, we form on tails. So and more coins you take and try. So after trying on a paper, and keep this paper in your school notice board, okay. So what you will get, so that you keep in your school notice board, okay. So this is the activity. By doing this activity, so we can form our image of our coins on a paper, okay. So we have to trace like this, okay.